In this final lesson, you will learn how to integrate certain apps with Canva and also show you how you can then download your designs. So let's head to the menu at the bottom here. You need to scroll down, right down. Here you see there's 3 dots, yeah? And click on 3 dots or more. Okay, so in here, there are more from Canva. In styles, you can find it in the resources, in the lessons. Okay, in here you can see the apps that integrate well with Canva, Pexels, Pixabay. You can have emoji. You can also integrate your Instagram and Facebook, your Google Drive. So many, Dropbox as well. Yeah, and if you scroll down, I think there's more to that. YouTube, Flickr, and so on. So you can do a lot of things in Canva in here. Let me show you one, which is Pixabay. So if you want more pictures, because just now you see the photos in Canva, the free ones are a little bit limited. Yeah, but I think it depends on the research keywords. But in Pixabay, there are public domain pictures that you can use without asking for permission. Yeah. So in here, I can go search for bees. Okay, I can click on this. I can click on any of these. These are free. Okay, and I'm going to click on this little fella. All right. And you can see now that Pixabay is integrated well with Canva. I can just simply click on this, close this menu. All right. So this is an image, and with an image, I'd like to show you a bit more, just a bit more of Canva, because I think Canva has got this all-in-one, like a wonderful hub for all-in-one resources. I don't have to get out of Canva. Unlike a PowerPoint, I mean, some of it, not all, I think they are improving still. I have to go out and get things and so on. So that makes sometimes the apps a bit less seamless than Canva. So I feel Canva now has improved its game a little bit more, and it's more seamless. I can get anything or everything, well, almost, in Canva. So in here, what I want to show you is the effects. So effects for elements. Just now I've shown you effects for text, where you can curve the text and add shadow and so on. For effects in elements would be, you can play around with the colors, with the different, like this character. It's really jazz up the whole image. So in here, this bee, I like to have, for example, 3 bees. Let me just then make one, because I feel that for an open educational resources, let me flip this horizontally. It is a wonderful initiative, wonderful program for a lot of things. You can use in Mac Command D to duplicate the design or the image further. Yeah, and it's like carrying honey, those precious education or giving access to a lot of people out there in the world. So this is why I have a bee there in my design in this OER or OCW, because I feel that that's the idea. That's the big idea. We share those precious, wonderful resources with others, in a sense, and so that others can benefit from there and can actually improve their life. Yeah. Okay. So let's go back to this Canva resource, in a sense. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you 3 effects. So in here, we go to effects. We're going to have a progression, more or less. So from, something maybe like here, I'm going to go to, let's scroll down. What I like to use is, color mix. This is one of my favorite. You can explore further. There's a lot more, which I think it goes beyond this course, but of course that hopefully will, in a sense, make you have more interest in making your resources more interesting. Yeah, I hope this will stimulate you in a sense. Yeah, so click on see all. There are a number of resources, the number of colors here. Yeah, I'm gonna go for actually none of this because this is the first one. I'm gonna go for say marmalade first. So once you click there, you can see the little control, the knobs. Yeah, see control. So in here, I want to play with the hue. Hue is colors. Is the colors. Gonna go for. Let me just see. All right. And play the saturation. Perhaps it probably no colors at all at the moment. Just let's see. Yeah, something like that. Something a bit gray. Okay, and don't forget to click apply. Next one would be something a bit more interesting, glitch. And the last one is something that we can let's try filter. Because it's similar. Filter is a preset. Colors, color schemes for if you really want a quick access. So, for example, like this retro or there, something really yellowy or red. Yeah, and of course, if you want it to actually festive, okay, let's just go to this. You can increase the intensity if you want to. Or if you really want to refine those further, you just go to adjust and then increase the saturation. Maybe I need to make it slightly bigger. You can see. Yep. Okay. And then you can increase the saturation. I'm not sure what it is, but I'm gonna just play around because I'm not trained. I'm not trained as a designer. So I tend to do it by the way it looks, and the way it feels. So I just like to play around, in a sense, yeah. And once I know the certain design, it'll give certain effects. Then I'll stick to that effects, and then for different occasions, I just tweak it accordingly. Yeah. All right, I think that's more or less. I can click on this, what I want. Okay, let me just reduce a bit of that. That's less brighter, that's brighter. Yep, I think that's okay. And maybe we increase the brightness for this. Okay, looks good to me. Good, fine. You can see at the bottom here, that's the Pixabay integrated with Canva. If you want to remove it, just need to go to the little X and pick it out. And now we can go back to our resource, click outside here, close the drawer, and we have those three things. Okay,